Mga mga ka-pep talk. So kahapon may isang event tayong inatinan at sinelebrate natin ang Chibug Chow Festival. No, it's a Chinese fusion of culture of food festival. So ang daming guests So ako ay isang na privileged na naimbitahan ni Senator Nicky Coseteng at ni Dr. Raymond Arcega na sila yung nag-spearhead ng event nito kasama ang Chinese Embassy at saka yung mga Taipans. So nandun sila lahat. So and then surprisingly also pala isa VIP guest din natin si Senator Bongo. And then they shared share nila yung kanilang some histories kung bakit na form ang Philippine-Chinese relationship lalong-lalo na sa pagkain. So alam naman natin na tayo ay crazy sa pagkain Chino So ako I love Chinese food Talagang kahapon lang so after ng event ay kumain ako sa Tim Ho Wan. Tim Ho Wan, ayan So because I love yung mga dim sum nila masarap tsaka yung noodles. I love the noodles and tsaka yung mga tinapay nila parang siopaw pero tinapay na I forgot the name but I enjoyed it. But nevertheless, so yung event kahapon ay inatinan ng maraming luminaries included are the ambassadors of some other countries. So present were yung ambassador of Malaysia, ambassador of China, I think meron pang Pakistan is there, I guess. So parang gano'n. So some Middle Eastern mga diplomats are there also joining And tapos hindi ko nakita si Mayor si Mayor Yorme Isko Moreno, but he is in the list, but I think he was represented by yung ating mga konsehal. So yun, so parang doon nakita natin yung rich culture ng Chinese culture as a country, as a people, and the tradition that are embedded dito sa ating culture din bilang Pilipino. So, sa history dictates na ang unang tao dito or na pumunta rito na dayuhan sa ating archipelago during the centuries old sa history natin were Chinese traders. So maraming so bukod sa ating mga Malay race na nandito sa Pilipinas, but as we progresses dito sa ating tawag dito sa history natin ay malaki ang partisipasyon ng China in terms of trade, culture, food, arts, yung mga ganyan. So kahapon nakita natin yan. Ang gaganda ng mga presentation nila and makikita mo rin yung kultura nila na talagang some of which were embedded in our culture already. Kasi nga, alam mo naman, di ba, dito sa atin, pupunta ka lang sa Visayas, Mindanao during my stints, na nasa sales din ako. Ang amo ko ay talagang Chinese-American, yung at that time, yung sa Wrangler, so Mr. Walter Oyang, gano'n, so may he rest in peace so there during those times ang sa Visayas Mindanao the Gaisanuses are talagang very strong sa retail. SM ay Diyos ko, nakita kong progression ng SM mula department store to a mall and giant mall ngayon, Mall of Asia, etc. And nagkaroon na siya ng conglomerates lumawak ang influences in trade school included are the academy may eskwelahan na rin sila. So given that Andrew Tan so mula isang kunyari si Andrew Tan is kilala sa McDonald's tapos yung mga marami pa so McDonald's, wines and everything and the resort yan yung mga ganyan. So there. So ito lang ang isang example wherein ang relationship natin with China ay talagang malalim talaga so I for one naging country manager din ako ng isang garment siya after my stint with Wrangler, garment siya, tapos lumilipad ako ng Xiamen, Shenzhen, Hong Kong Singapore Singapore hindi na part ng China, but yung factory namin nasa Longhai province ng Xiamen. Alam mo, makikita mo yung napakadisiplinado nila at napakaganda ng lugar. Infrastructure at the time. Diyos ko, you're talking about ang tagal na yun ng stint ko I think more than 10 years or something. Pero that time, yung yung train, yung schools, yung roads, no, all the provincial, nakita ko pa nga may rickshaw and everything, so all the provincial appear, pero makikita mo yung progress ng infra, tsaka yung discipline ng mga tao, mababait sila, no, lalo sa probinsya, sa Longhai province. So meaning etong Chibug Chibug Chow Festival, ito yung binigay nilang giveaway, ayan. So I thank Senator Nikki Coseteng, Senator Bongo, so for sharing his expertise and kanyang inspirational talk regarding the Chibug Festival yesterday. And of course si Dr. Raymond Arcega was very parang involved and articulate and talagang well versed doon sa kanyang advocacy about this kind of festival. Now, given that, so mamaya makikita ninyo, may i-share akong mga part of the show that you may enjoy.